guys, welcome to Emren's Kitchen cooking show. Hope everybody is doing great. Today we're gonna fry some turkey, and this is how we are going to cook it. Here I'm cutting my lemon. Me cha lemon ni mu mienu. And na me de be clean me turkey no ne efin bia ne emoa bia wo hu bia, and I said skin bia, there's skin bia in here oh ye. And then here too, I'm going to use vinegar. It will also help me. Ebe boa na me clean turkey ne ho kama nti. Me share go ho nyina. Na madane so that ebe ko bebia ho, ebe clean baby ye efin bia, and I said ade bia yem periodian ne efin. So here I'll move the turkey to my chopping board. Me de be to her. Yeah. And I'm sick na no ye nam pan no. And anything I want me to make a chichana intense member. So one trick is a chicha and nambia chicken turkey or anything like that. Trick they want me boodum, you know. A wow mouth to me get it like easy access to cut it from the whole chicken. It's very easy. I have say me chana and son and so. I had me divide it breast in a finish, you know. So it was a struggle, but I tried to cut it from it into the breast no finish, you know. You so me be chaka and I'm the aka no ho steam and I'm nini the ko jana so. I have say any ingredients and maybe best seasoning when I'm steam and I'm a flavor. It's your future be able my blend it. Every court chance in the steam and I'm nti ha say no first me oje na bia me chicha a me de begu so ti me make sure say me de me sabe fam na ma je ni na begu we me waste we ha and ha say so me de me blended ingredients na me de try mo no so begu so na me de steam e be ma na nice flavor then na me hwie gu so me wi a na me de me royco powder bia me wo me de no so gu so me tell you so wo me kitchen pan say no na me de gu so. Nti efi hana me cause me de me a garlic a curry powder no ebegu so most of the time the curry powder me dey steam me nam and so man ye de ka I say so me de na yi begu so lemon pepper and so man flavor but me use be kakra say ya me use so if ya na me de chin kakra go ho and I'm the door so no me ndwen se me bi chin door so okay. It's a hand me kafra so that ni na be kuku seasons ni blended we ni na be bibia so that nti ana ma fra ni na se na wo onwa e be we ni na flavors ni be bibia ti ha a steam kakra na makenum nti ha na aben ye be china no so say nyawo ye nti ye be chi nti ha na ye chi ye be china no nti no ye na me ye gu no and I'm sure they do any season. Nothing to make sure they are the same. They are coming. I watch them. You make a little brown account, you know. A man it's at an it's Madame than a 90. Hannah, my yammy, my chimney, and I are conacunia. Maybe garnishing. To me, green pepper, any onions, and the garnishing. They seem 10-year range. Say no, I made a baby boss, a big can. Na made ya tasty the wa. And I'm a tasty and then I make channel. Yeah, and then it was very good. So please try this recipe, and thank you very much for tuning in today. Like, subscribe, and comment, and tell your friends to come and also watch this channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.